Living in Kendall, Florida, means enjoying warm weather and sunshine almost year-round. However, the heat and humidity can take a toll on your home's cooling system and your wallet. If your energy bills are consistently high, outdated or inefficient, windows could be to blame. Installing energy-efficient windows is a smart way to reduce cooling costs while keeping your home comfortable, even in Kendall's tropical climate. Here's how energy-efficient windows work and why they're an excellent investment for your Kendall home. The challenge of cooling in Kendall's climate. Kendall's hot and humid climate demands near constant air conditioning to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Unfortunately, older windows with poor insulation can allow a significant amount of heat to enter your home, forcing your cooling system to work overtime. Traditional windows often lack the advanced technologies that prevent heat transfer, making them a weak link in your home's thermal envelope. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can address this problem and provide relief from high energy bills. How energy-efficient windows work. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features that minimize heat gain and loss. Here are the key components that make them so effective. Low-E glass. Low emissivity. Low-E coatings are a thin, transparent layer applied to the glass surface. This coating reflects infrared heat while allowing natural light to pass through. In Kendall's climate, low-E glass is particularly effective at reducing solar heat gain, keeping your home cooler. Insulated frames. Modern energy-efficient windows come with insulated frames made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or thermally enhanced aluminum. These materials reduce heat transfer, preventing outdoor heat from seeping into your home. Multiple panes and gas fills. Double or triple pane windows provide additional layers of insulation. Between the panes, inert gases like argon or krypton are often used to further reduce heat transfer. This creates a thermal barrier that helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Tight seals. Energy-efficient windows feature tight seals that prevent air leakage. This is crucial in Kendall, where humid outdoor air can easily infiltrate your home, making your cooling system work harder. Benefits of energy-efficient windows in Kendall. Lower cooling costs. The most immediate benefit of energy-efficient windows is a reduction in cooling costs. By minimizing heat transfer and sealing off air leaks, these windows help your HVAC system operate more efficiently. Many homeowners in Kendall report significant savings on their monthly energy bills after upgrading their windows. Enhanced comfort. With energy-efficient windows, your home stays cooler and more comfortable, even during Kendall's hottest months. You'll enjoy a consistent indoor temperature without the need to constantly adjust the thermostat. UV protection and low-E coatings also block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and curtains. Protecting your interiors means your home stays looking great for longer, reducing the need for costly replacements. Environmental impact. Lower energy consumption doesn't just save you money, It also reduces your carbon footprint. By using less electricity for cooling, you're contributing to a more sustainable future. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows often include features that help block outside noise. This is especially beneficial in bustling areas of Kendall, where street noise or nearby activities can disrupt your peace and quiet. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for Kendall. Not all energy-efficient windows are created equal, and selecting the right type for Kendall's climate is essential. Look for windows with features tailored to hot, humid environments. Solar Heat Gain Coefficient, SHGC. This rating measures how much solar heat the window allows in. For Kendall's climate, choose windows with a low SHGC to minimize heat gain. Energy Star Certification. Energy Star certified windows are tested and rated for energy efficiency in specific regions, including southern climates like Kendall. Impact resistance. Given Kendall's susceptibility to storms, consider energy-efficient windows with impact-resistant glass for added safety. Professional installation matters. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform as intended without proper installation. Partnering with a professional installer ensures your windows are fitted correctly, with no gaps or leaks that could compromise their performance. Local experts understand Kendall's unique climate challenges and can recommend the best options for your home. Invest in comfort and saving. Energy-efficient windows are more than just an upgrade. They're a long-term investment in your home's comfort, energy savings, and sustainability. By reducing cooling costs and enhancing your living space, these windows make life in Kendall's warm climate more enjoyable. If you're ready to lower your energy bills and increase your home's efficiency, contact a trusted window replacement professional in Kendall today. With the right windows and expert installation, you can enjoy a cooler, more comfortable home while saving money year after year.